What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Is Zte back? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I am reading from an article from gsmarena.com, so a huge shout out to them for providing this information. Now the headline says Zte to pay $1.7 billion in fines to the US government needs to replace its executives. So basically what happened is they actually illegally shipped telecom gear to Iran and North Korea. And this is not a surprise, you know, many other companies have done this in the past. Even your most favorite companies that you think are safe with, you know, they have done this type of stuff in the past, definitely for the sake of money. I don't really think it's for the sake of spying. I honestly feel more safe with my Mate SE and my Zte Blade Z Max than I do with an actual Samsung or iPhone device, to be quite honest. The reason being is because they don't give the government backdoors, or the US government, I should say, backdoors into your device to go ahead and, you know, do spying and stuff like that. But it doesn't really matter anyways, because unless you're a terrorist or unless you're a huge criminal, they're not really going to do anything to you. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and read this article right here. It seems like they're coming back. It says, according to inside sources, the Chinese tech giant Zte may soon pay up to $1.7 billion in a penalty after its April 15th trade ban. The company is estimated to have lost around $3 billion, as around 25 to 30% of the hardware it uses is supposed to be supplied by US firms. It says, however, this is definitely a scenario Zte is hoping for, because the initial 7-year ban would harm the company in more than one way. In addition to the proposed $1.7 billion fine, the US government wants Zte to replace its board of directors, executive team, and hire a compliance contractor to oversee the company's operations. So basically what they're going to do, Trump's probably going to hire some people to, you know, overlook them, or basically babysit them to make sure this does not happen again, for the sake of the United States of America's safety, I guess. It says, after all, the company is expected to pay much less, about $1 billion, but will be asked to put $4 million in escrow in a US bank. Also goes on to say, intensely enough, some people familiar with the matter claim that Zte has turned into a token for bargaining. It says if the US government agrees to settle things with Zte, China will buy more American-made agricultural goods. So basically, I guess they have a deal, a trade deal on the table right here between Zte, I should really be saying China, and the US, because it's one of, you know, China's huge companies over here, and they could potentially screw us on a bunch of agricultural trade and a bunch of other stuff if they don't let this go through, and if we just go ahead and take that fine that they slapped us with. But yeah, I got some insight on this as well from some other people, and it looks like it's probably going to take like 30 to 60 more days for operations to go back into running conditions, because right now, obviously, nothing's running right now. No phones are being made. The phones that were going to come out in the summer are probably going to be held off for a few more months. But yeah, give me your opinion on this. I definitely think Zte is going to be back, and I'm hoping for an Axon 9. I really am excited for the Axon 9, if that's going to be a thing. If it is, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be fun. I'm probably going to go to the event or whatever, and yeah. But yeah, give me your opinions in the comments down below. Does Zte suck? Is Zte, you know, spying on you? Whatever you guys want to say. I have my opinion about them, but you guys can go ahead and state it in the comments down below. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.